Hi, I am Sarwar from BTAPS. Today I am going to show you how to add WP search button on your website. To add a WP search button on your website, I am using Bit Assist plugin. So let's go to WordPress dashboard. Click on Bit Assist, add widget, give a widget name. Click on create button. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel, WP search, save it. Go to the WordPress page and refresh the page. Now you can see the Bit Assist logo bottom corner of the screen. Now click on Bit Assist and click on WP search. Here you can see there are many pages and posts are already created. You can search this your desired page and post. I search home. Here my home page. If you click on it, it's going to be your home page. And let's go back and now click now search a post. Trees. If you search the trees post, so you can now click on trees post and it's going to my trees post website. So in this way you can search your post and pages. So in this way you can add your WP search button on your website. So thanks for watching this video.